Hello, how are you? Please subscribe to the channel, like and share. Today I'm going to give the review of this two product. Of course, is in Portuguese because I live in Brazil currently, but this is a product that it has in English, okay? Because it even says here in English, derm control. So Nupill, this is the liquid soap face for the face, and it says here that it has uh, uh, it says here that it cleans the skin deeply, and it helps control the oiliness that the person have, like if the person is very shiny oily skin. So it helps, control the zits, the pimple, the acne. And it says that it has some acids, salicylic acid, and olive vera. And I used it, and it's very good. It leaves your skin very clean, fresh. You feel like your skin is very very clean and fresh. What do you do? You put a little bit in your hands. You go like this, and you clean, your face, and you throw the water. Also, I bought the toner. The toner says that if firmness and intensive firmness. It has vitamin B5, which is moisturizing, and aloe vera. So I liked it too. It's very good. The product, I put a little bit on the cotton and I pass in the face after I wash. And this is a great product. I liked it. I recommend it. You're not going to be throwing your money away. So is the soap and the toner, and it's very good. It's gonna clean your face, gonna take out that oiliness. I mean, my face is mixture of oiliness and dry, so it's like a mix. So this is really good for somebody that has really oily skin, especially in the summer, and it's really good. And even if you have, dry skin, I mean, it's not going to dry it out because it does have a moisturizer in here, both of them. So please stick to the channel because I'm still analyzing this, which says that it firms the skin, and it get rid of the wrinkle. And as you can see, it's getting better. My double chin. I mean, I only used it one time, but and then it says to give it a time to work, through the face. I'm gonna use it again soon, and soon I'm gonna give the result. I bought also a captivating machine, which says it burns localized fat, and it smooth out satellites. I bought another little machine that does around the eyes. So let's see if this things actually works. Okay, if you stick to the channel and subscribe and like and share the videos, we'll find out together what product really works and what doesn't. I'm not getting paid to advertise this and say if it works or not. I bought this out of my money, and I'm gonna, even if I get paid, if somebody contacts me and says, like, give a review of my product, I'm gonna be honest, because you know what, I don't like being tricked, and my money is hard earned. So, and I think we should be honest to ourselves and to other people. You know what I mean? Do to yourself as you like to be done to, do to others as you like to be done to yourself. Okay? So yes, it's worth buying. Okay?